Hey guys, we're glad to welcome back with some more Steak Hero. We did it yesterday. We did it. We made it to 50. Now goal is get to 20. I hope we do it right now this time. Can you remember yesterday? It was so close. I was so close to dying. Those thin ones, though, man. Those thin ones. It's so hard. Those thin ones are in the game. Yeah, but don't forget to leave a like and comment down below if you like this video. Guys. That's what I've been talking about. R.I.P. to me. Oh, never mind. I nailed it. Yo, we nailed it. Let's go. I'm nailing this, guys. God, no. Okay, that's 10 more. Okay, we made it to 18. That's the highest, guys. That's the highest. We need to go some more. Oh no, I'm so cool! Yes! It's raining! Perfect! Oh my god. It's raining perfect on you, man. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. I told you! It's perfect! It's raining perfects! God damn it. I should have done that. Oh my god, it's raining perfects on those thin ones. Suck it. Perfect. I don't. Oh my god. Perfect. Oh, no way. No way. No way I'm doing this. Perfect. Another one. Whoa. Let's go, baby. It's raining perfect. Hey. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Oh my god, that's awesome. That's cool, guys. It's awesome. Okay, this is the hardest one. Okay, the perfect that time. But that was so awesome, guys. We just hit like 6 perfects. And we did 3 perfects in a row. I was so, oh god, this. I'm so, I'm smiling. Never mind what I said. I'm smiling like never smiled before. Oh god. It's so cool, guys. Okay, we are again perfect. Oh my model fine. Someone like perfect. Okay, we need it. 20. Go. Frick. Go. Perfect. What? What? No way. No way. No. The stick was just right there at the. It was just next to the building. I hate myself. Frick! Nuggets. Frick. Perfect. Let's go get perfect. God damn it. Perfect. 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 Never mind. No, let's never try this one, so let's go play it this time. Oh yeah. Perfect. Wow. God damn it. That was awesome. I never tried this game before, guys. Never tried this game before. Nail that. Watermelon, take that. Take that, me. You know what, guys? Let's go back to the normal line. So, I was so happy earlier. It was perfect, man. Now, I jinxed it. I jinxed it, guys. I jinxed it. I freaking jinxed it. No, no, no. Right, guys. Let's talk about okay, perfect. The PC, I just uploaded PC. Why I keep saying PC? I don't know why. So what games? Comment down below what games do you want me to play. I just failed that one. I'm starting to be uploading on my PC now. And yeah, make sure to comment down below what games what games do you want me to play. And yeah, but now we keep failing. I told you guys I jinxed it. See? No more perfect. Never mind. I jinxed it. I made it to 15 and now I can't wait to try it, guys. No! No what? No more. I hate this game. Make sure you leave a like down below and don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'm so sorry. Yeah, make sure to comment down below what games should I play next. And yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.